All right, what's up, guys? This is Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. This is the Parade of Homes, and we're in the Southern Shores community in Hurricane, Utah. An amazing community. I've never seen anything like this. So each home property will have this like boat garage with this man-made lake back here, so you can do some reps with your water skiing, your wakeboarding, get as good as you want, get some practice in. But yeah, an amazing place. I know you're not here for the intro, you're here for the house itself. We'll go ahead and show stuff like this, but let's go ahead and look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome back. We have another Parade of Home tour for you guys here in Hurricane, Utah. We're going to talk a little bit more about this home, but for starters, my number on the screen, 801-835-9368. If you're interested in something by Immaculate Homes, even if you're not interested in something by them, but just new construction or real estate needs in general, that's my number. Make sure to reach out. So once again, this is built by Immaculate Homes, Parade of Homes number 12 in the Southern Shore community, known as Lake House. 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, over 6,200 square feet. And this is an actual lake house backed up to the reservoir that was made in this community that you can get some laps in, get some reps in on your wakeboarding or water skiing, really hone your craft. This home is listed at $8 million, and it's not just because it's a beautiful, gorgeous, big house to live inside of, but obviously the lifestyle is incredible. What value does that have for you? Having a lake, having your house backed up to a lake that you have unlimited access to year-round in the warm location of Hurricane, Utah. There's also 2 other lakes, a wave simulator, and one where it's a cable-pulled wakeboarding lake. So tons of jumps and things like that. But I'm going to let you guys take a look at the rest of this house. If you're interested, once again, reach out to me. And as always, we'll catch you at the end of the tour. All right, so that was amazing. I don't know what word you guys would use to describe it. Put down in the comments below. But incredible. That's the word I would use. You can't use that one. But yeah, think of a new one. But what did you guys think of that house? Amazing. I've heard of the Southern Shores in Hurricane, Utah, how it's got the wave simulator. It's got the lake to run your boat around. It's got a wakeboarding lake where you'll be pulled around on a cable around, and that there's these homes that have lots right next to those lakes. But this was better than I imagined. It's got those boat garages and everything. This place is incredible. I don't know what to say. It's amazing. So if you are interested in a home like this, it is for sale for $8 million. And that is my number in the corner of the screen, 801-835-9368. So if you enjoyed that, or even if you don't necessarily want to build with Immaculate Homes, but you want something in Southern Shores, make sure to give me a call or text and we can get that set up for you. But yeah, any real estate needs, make sure to reach out. So thank you so much for watching. And to recap, this house, it had 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a master wing suite, and an amazing lot backed up to the boating lake in the middle of this community. So I just can't believe I get to do this work for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys at the next tour.